across research and development. Non-breakable technology, Charpy impact test. An impact is a high force or shock that is applied for a short period of time when two or more bodies collide. We compared the ability of the NB technology to protected materials and absorb high-impact energy. The purpose of the test, demonstrating the efficiency of the NB technology to withstand the absorption of energy in metals and increasing the efficiency in metals for many uses in industry. Control test. NB test. Result, NB technology demonstrate 23.6% higher energy absorption. By combining the NB technology with different materials, high fire resistance is achieved. This action reduces the energy and heat that released through the impact, and as a result of this action the joule increases.